Here we are on Rancho Nuevo Norte. This is a 580-acre ranch overlooking the ocean of all the Estoril beaches. Absolutely beautiful. We're sitting up here what we call the Sitio del Patron, which is the Jefe site where the boss goes. This is the best views on the farm. Let's take a look. The property has asphalt road right to the front entrance. There's city water here for easy permitting. There's also freshwater springs for private water sources, and the electricity is right here in front. Contact us today to learn more about this riverfront and ocean view property here in Playa Hermosa.